Hi guys, in this video we are going to understand about how we can work on the IAM groups, how we can create the IAM groups, and how we can add the users in the IAM group and give them the permissions. So you can see my screen. I am already logged in on my AWS account and I am into the Identity and Access Management dashboard or the IAM dashboard. How to create a group? We have already discussed about what exactly the groups are. Groups are primarily used for adding many users together so that all of the users get the same permissions as allotted to the group. This reduces the task of an administrator in terms of assigning the permission and the policies to many users who are going to work on the AWS account. So how you can work on the user group is, here under the access management, there is an option called user groups. You have to click on the user groups and you can see there are around 13 groups that are created. Likewise, you can create a new group. So we have to click on create a group. Provide the group name of your choice. Let's say I provide something like Cloud Institute Group, or I can put it something like Cloud Institute Admins. And in case if you want to add some users in the group, we can select it from here. So we created one user in the previous video with the name Cloud Institute. So I'm going to add this user in the Cloud Institute Admins group. Now it asks us to assign the policy. So whatever the policy or the permission that I'm going to assign to the group, that would be automatically assigned to this user Cloud Institute. And how we can assign the permissions? We can search it from the available permissions, or we can create our own policy as well. So let's say I want to give this group the admin access. So I'll just look for the admin permission or full admin access. And here I get the administrator access policy. Select it. Likewise, you can add more policies also in case if you want to attach the permissions in more granular form. And now you can see the Cloud Institute Admins group is created. It also shows you how many users are added in the group. So you can see that one user with the name Cloud Institute has been added and the permissions are granted. So this way you can just click on your group, and later on also you can click on add user and customize it accordingly. So let's say if you want to add more users, like if I add these users together, I can select them and click on add users. So they are also part of the same group. And whatever the permissions that are allocated to the group, the admin access, all these 5 users are going to get the same set of permissions. You guys can practice on your AWS account, and once you assign the user to the group, just try to log in with your user credentials and see that did you get the assigned permissions, the privileges or not. So that was working on the user groups. In the next video, we are going to understand about user roles, the IAM roles, and how we can implement the multi-factor authentication on the IAM user. Thanks for watching.